Hi guys, this is Reina with Untitled Couch, and today we are going to review this beautiful sectional. This couch comes from Valyou, straight from Hawaii. It's called the Feathers Sectional. I was honestly prepared when I saw the two big boxes, and I got this part out and then the sectional part, so two big boxes with two different parts, and I got them out and I was ready to start building and assembling. Actually, it came almost pre-assembled, which is awesome. All I had to do is flip it over, find the correct latches and make sure they're clipped on, and that's it. Seriously, I was almost done. Like, the couch was ready. I was able also with the help of someone else to carry it upstairs, so this is where it's going to be for the moment. It's easy to carry, just get someone else to help you, of course. All you have to do is just seriously put the cushions and the seats on, the back ones and the cushions, and you're ready to go. This couch comes in two different colors. What I have here is the beige. There's also the gray one. They carry, by the way, a lot of other items, and I cannot wait to try more. They have bedroom items, dining, coffee tables. They have seriously a beautiful selection. But let's talk about this sectional. This couch is so comfortable. It's very soft, it's plush, it's chic, and it's minimal as well. It's also, you will notice, the legs are spray painted in silver, but they are low, which makes it easier to just flop down and watch your favorite show and probably fall asleep if you want. Like I said, it's super plush, it's very comfortable, and it's pet friendly. So my dog is spending a lot of time on this couch without me even noticing, but I don't have to worry about it because I can remove the covers, wash them, and then put them back on. It's also kid friendly. A lot of spills happen, just part of the test, and we washed it and everything was back to normal, nice and clean. You see, this is the feather. It's a mix of feather, Egyptian cotton, linen, and microfiber. It's absolutely beautiful. What matters is that it's comfortable, and it comes from Valyou, and yes, it is at a great value. All you have to do is go to my link and you will find out about their discounts and their upcoming promotions for the holidays, so you don't want to miss on that one. And the shipping was actually fast, so all in all, super happy so far. It is my couch up here when I'm watching TV. Sometimes I fall asleep on the lounger. I'm just gonna say one thing. If you are on the heavy side, you may not find it super comfortable because it is really plush. But if you are my size, also I'm talking about the height, someone who's taller than me will be like dangling their feet off of the sectional. It's an okay thing, but I don't mind it personally. I love it, I'm very happy with it, and I'm super excited to let you know that, again, there will be a coupon very soon. So make sure you follow my link and click on it to find out more about the Valyou furniture and everything they carry under one roof. Hi everyone, this is Reina on Untitled Couch, and today we are going to unbox the second box that came to us from Valyou Furniture. I'm really used to assemble couches. I don't know if you've seen any of my videos. Usually it's a lot of tools, at least like screw in a couple of legs or a back seat, but this is the example of a minimal effort couch, maximum comfort. We're gonna see as we review it, but this is, like I said, the other part of it, the lounge chair, the sectional. We're gonna put it together and show you the end result.